Shahrukh. Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you, Colors. Thank you, Fremantle. Thank you, Raj, for having me over here. Thank you, Rav Singh. Where are you, Rav? Yeah, there he is. Rav Singh and, of course, Mr. Simon Cowell, who's not here tonight, but allowing me to participate in this amazing platform that has been created around the world. सारी दुनिया में मैं बार-बार हिंदी में भी रूपांतर कर रहा हूँ कि हिंदी चैनल जो हैं, क्योंकि कलर्स वाले बार-बार बोलते हिंदी में बोला करो, अंग्रेज़ी में बोला करो, ऐसा नहीं तो समझ नहीं आता लोगों को, क्योंकि ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म हर कोने में, हमारी दुनिया में, हमारे देश में, दुनिया भर में कहीं ना कहीं पर हम में से हर किसी में कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट होता है और हमको मौका नहीं मिलता है हर किसी को कि वो टैलेंट को जो है शोकेस कर सकें. एंड आई ऑलवेज वंडर्ड, सम ऑफ अस गेट लकी लाइक आई डिड. आई हैड few opportunities, chances where I come from, New Rajendra Nagar in Delhi, where there was a Ram Leela, and there was a director in the Ram Leela, and he saw my talent and he cast me as a monkey, and which was a good enough start, whatever you cast as long as you get the platform. तो मैंने कई बार बोला है और फिर बोलूँगा, मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलता था, पहला पोर्शन नहीं, सेकंड पोर्शन, बोल सियापति रामचंद्र की, और मैं जय पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय, with a long tail. But I got the opportunity. It gave me confidence that I can go and stand in front of hundreds and thousands of people. Actually, Ram Leela is very big in New Delhi, and I could go and perform there. And then slowly people started giving me opportunities to do a few dialogues. I thought I could mimic actors, which I tried. I was very good at Prithviraj Kapoor Saab, which many of you may not be, the younger ones won't know, but Beda Salim. So I used to do mimicry on stage. I used to do shairi, which was really bad. लोग कहते हैं मेरी आंटी के होंठ गुलाबी हैं, मैं कहता हूँ उनकी आंखें शराबी हैं. ऐसी kind of शायरी करता था. However bad it was, the truth is that I got an opportunity to stand in front of thousands of people, hundreds of people, at 1 a.m. while people were eating mungfali, and showcase what I thought was my talent. And each talent that we have within ourselves requires a platform. So I want to thank Got Talent team, Rav, who's been directing it, Simon Cowell, Raj, for bringing it here. And the world over, wherever they show it, I just got to know they have one in Afghanistan too. So wonderful, not only just Britain's Got Talent and India's Got Talent. And it's one of the most amazing platforms. Whoever thought of it and put it together has really done a great service to talents around the world who don't get an opportunity. And I'm sure the further it is spread, the bigger it is made, we will find some amazing talent all around the world. The 6th of December, as Mini Mathur, the beautiful Mini Mathur has already announced, and we've seen it, we have a show in Andheri, at the Andheri complex, where we are going to host Got Talent World Stage Live. I don't know if it has been done before. I'm sorry, I've not educated myself on that, but this perhaps would be the first time anywhere in the world that all the world talent, all the people who have performed on some of these shows, some who are perhaps new, are going to come together and put up a show at the Andheri Sports Complex. And it's a great opportunity for all of us to see the world talent. No competition. I don't think talent has any competition, but it's just going to be an amazing showcasing. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बहुत खूबसूरत लगेगा जब इतने सारे टैलेंट दुनिया भर के एक जगह पर एकत्रित होकर. मिनी माथुर जो मेरे पीछे खड़ी हैं कि मैं ज़्यादा बोल चुका हूँ, जल्दी से चुप हो जाऊँ क्योंकि उनका पोर्शन आ गया है बोलने का. But I just want to say thank you very much, and I hope all of you are there, all roads lead there.
मेरा सवाल है, आपने स्वदेश भी की है, आप परदेश भी कर चुके हैं फिल्म. परदेशियों को स्वदेश में बुला करके और उनके सामने एंकरिंग करना कितना फन होने वाला है, एंटरटेनिंग होने वाला है?
एक्चुअली एंकरिंग करना या होस्ट करना या कुछ किसी एक मजमे को उनका दिल बहलाना, उनसे बात करना शो पे निर्भर करता है यार. आई थिंक अ होस्ट और अ होस्टेस is as good. Like I think this must be a fantastic show because Mini is so good. You're as good as the show that you're doing. So I think the content we have for this show is world talent here, and in different facets. It's not just dancing and singing, which is also amazing. But there are going to be some very different things. Whenever I've gone on India's Got Talent, and I must confess, on evenings when I have nothing else to do or I'm very sad and I want to see some, I get a lot of ideas from Britain's Got Talent, and there was one Sardarji who danced once to a Michael Jackson. I mean, amazing stuff, man. Amazing stuff. You get so many ideas. The other night I was working out and I said, I want to do some new thing in my new film. And my trainer tells me, sir, आप वो India Got Talent देखो, उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ निकलेगा. So you find ideas because we get so narrowed down by what we do every day because of the jobs. So I think a host or an hostess is going to be as good as the show it is containing. So this show is fantastic. My job is going to be easy. I hopefully will be able to talk to you well. I'll be able to do what I do best. And the show is going to be bigger than the host or anything else, inshallah.
And I met Shah Rukh about a year and a half ago, and I told him we should do something together. And since that day, I said, it's also about identifying a show or a program that lives up to Shah Rukh's stature. So we just can't take Shah Rukh Khan and use him in a show for the sake of it. So we've been ideating quite a lot, and inshallah, बहुत जल्दी वो भी हो जाएगा.
I just want to know, the show itself looks so appealing. You've got advertisers on board, or still you guys are working on it?
No, it's going to be advertised. I know that for a week from now, the tickets are going to start being sold. And one thing we've decided, we want to make it successful. We want to make more and more people to watch it.
We are talking about talent. We saw a new brave talent of Mr. Amir Khan today. Have you seen the posters? What do you have to say? And do you think nudity has come of age?
All right, this
in
we'll
Bollywood?
just take
you're saying it
questions
to
with the
me,
property.
Don't go there and say that's a talent, okay?
शाहरुख, अभी हमने बहुत ही अनोखा आर्ट देखा.
विवेक का.
जी वो जो
रेडियम से जो
जी रेडियन का. सलमान भी अच्छी खासी स्केचिंग आती है उनको. क्या उन्होंने आपको एक भी दी, गिफ्ट में दी है एक भी स्केचेस वगैरह बना के?
अच्छा, we'll move on to a more pertinent question. That'll make
genuinely
sense.
इतनी खूबसूरत आवाज से ये सवाल पूछोगी तुम यार. तुम अरे प्यार करती हो, गाना गाती, तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए, तुमने न जाने क्या सपना देखा, ये सवाल पूछोगे. अच्छा मैं एक बात बोल देता हूँ यहाँ पे, ये सवाल पुराने हो गए यार. अब तो हम गले मिलते हैं, दोस्ती है, प्यार है, सब कुछ है. अब ये सब खत्म हो गया.
बस खुश, everyone's happy.
सीरियसली मैं बता रहा हूँ, बहुत साल हो गए कि आप लोग यही सवाल पूछ कर फिर कुछ एक स्नैप बनाओ, चिक 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 ऐसा बोला. इतना पुराना हो गया है, हम बोर हो गए यार.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.